Yeah, yes. So, another video trading binary option using IQ option platform. As always, I will try to reach $500 with today's signal. As always, you can learn the binary digital strategy from the link in the description of this video. You will get a course with full explanation of the binary digital strategy, a strategy that will help you trade binary options. I will teach you everything about this strategy with 14 episodes, 2 additional episodes. You will be taught everything about this strategy, from the indicators, respecting time, money management. Everything about the binary digital strategy is explained in that course. Use the only website. Our official website is binarydigital.com. Be careful. There is scammers or anybody who would trying to act like his partner with us or anything. He will scam you. It's up to you, and you will be the only responsible for the consequences. We are not responsible if you buy our course somewhere else other than the binarydigital.com website that is in this the description of this video. You can learn, or you can use the binary digital strategy in IQ option or any other platform that allows you to trade binary. As you can see, I'm not using my real account anymore on YouTube, due to the policies of IQ option. It's not allowed to show your real account. This is why I stopped sharing my real account on YouTube. But just to show you some my trading sessions, I use my student's account. I don't manage accounts for the moment. I stopped managing accounts. I'm just sharing my my strategy with you guys. Hopefully, you will make some profit. And yeah, trade like an expert using binary digital strategy. Good luck for you guys. I hope you will purchase the course and learn the binary digital strategy. Yeah. And for those who've been asking me about the live session, as you can see, our videos are not having enough likes. I can't make a live session for 1,000 persons. I need at least 10,000 subscribers in this YouTube channel So I can yeah, make you a live session trading. You will follow me. I'll make at least 10 signals. All the signals will be, I'll make sure the signals will be winning signals. And yeah, hopefully you will make some profit and buy the course. So subscribe to this channel, guys, please.